When I wake, the moon's still fading in the sky. There are shapes around the room. A man made out of clothes on a chair, and I look to him for all my greatest life advice. And he holds me when I'm scared, and he takes all that I fear. What if all I have? What if all I've had has been for nothing? Nothing. When I wash myself, I close my eyes or stare at the ceiling with its cracks. Lucky I can't break my mother's back from here. And when the bells are tolling down the hill, asking me to free my will, I refuse to hear the shrill of it. What if all I have? What if all I've had has been for nothing?
Hi guys, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. So this is obviously not my house. I'm at a hotel for a little staycation with my mom. You know, just weekend chilling and stuff. And as you saw in that little film thing I just did, I just took a shower. So in this video, I'll take you through a series of photo shoots that I'm gonna do, and hopefully they turn out good. As you know, it's still monsoon. Like, it's almost October and it's still monsoon in Mumbai. I don't know what's happening, global warming for the win. So like, there's not much scope in here to, you know, do something creative because there's always lack of light and stuff. So my first photo shoot is kind of like very simple. There's like a window thing here where I'm gonna try and take some silhouettes and some portraits. It's very hard to be a self-portrait artist. I'm not gonna say I'm an artist or anything, but you know, a self-portrait, you know, person. Sometimes I get really fed up of this, but in this video I will show you everything that I do to take good pictures. So my first look is very, you know, just woken up kind of vibe. Really messy. My makeup is also very light, like just a mascara and concealer and lipstick. Wearing an oversized shirt with a cami inside, and here is the window area that I was talking about. I'm wearing denim below it. Since I'm clicking pictures with my camera, I am going to use my phone to record the rest of the stuff. So the quality between the camera and phone videos is gonna be, you know, upar niche.
햇빛이 비추는 날 내 맘에 꽃이 폈다. 창가에 기대 앉아 이 노래를 부른다. 그래 넌 푸른 바다 like a picnic on the shoreline with a toast and jelly just like how sweet it is that you're mine. And when you don't hit reply my heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독. 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거잖아. 그때 나를 바라볼 때 심장이 멎은 듯해. 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby. My flowers made in your light and I'm blooming by your side.
Starting to think I like being stuck. 'Cause if you look at the ceiling, my favorite part's the sky cut off. I don't wanna realize how far away I am from heaven.
soft glam look. It's not too much, it's not too little. I really hope I'm not speaking too low because my mom is taking a nap and I don't wanna like wake her up, but everything I speak seems so loud in here. So about my looks, I saw this somewhere on Pinterest. I've done this look before and I absolutely love how simple it is, and you know, topped it with a gloss, and I'm ready. It's outfit time. So this set of pictures that I'm referring for this particular shot, and I'm sadly not getting what I want. The pictures I'm referring are from Bella Hadid. The angle and everything, I'm not able to kind of figure it out because someone else clicked her pictures obviously, and I'm doing it myself. So it's a little bit, you know, problem. And also she's gorgeous. That's another problem, but let's see what I can do. Finally found a good angle to take my pictures, and I've applied like 1,000 layers of lipstick while posing, so it's really uncomfortable.
Took a trip out to Vegas, side of the road in the car. Lied to your parents, said we get a hotel, but it was more than both of us could afford. Waved goodbye in the driveway, so we would keep in touch. Between the 600 miles and your college degree, I guess that neither one is calling enough. Say what you want, leaning on my shoulder too tight.
So this is my next outfit. Let me show you. This outfit is like 100 years old. I know I've never worn it since many years, but this is the only like gown I have. ये मैंने अपने college के prom पे पहना था. It still fits, so this idea of my photo shoot is thoda sa different. I am doing flash photographs. The basic concept for this is I'm getting ready for an event. Let's say Met Gala. Okay, for example, I'm getting ready for Met Gala or something, and uske beech mein, you know, candid pictures and all of that. I don't know. So here is where I'm mainly gonna shoot this. मैं यहाँ से shoot करूँगी, and I'll be using my camera as usual and the flash on it. My phone is not recording anything because it's too dark over here, so you're gonna have to guess how I took the photos. Sorry.
Being drunk don't feel the same in a daydream, feeling all alone. I hate me faking all the things I know, and I just want to. I need a break from taking breaks. I hear the birds outside, oh man, I stayed up late. Nothing even matters, wasted on my shots. My AC broke and it's getting way too hot. And lately I don't even know the day. Nah, it takes my everything to feel okay. Can't keep my head above.
That is it, guys. That is all I'm going to do for today. I am really tired, obviously, but I really hope you like this video and also like the pictures and how they turned out. Let me know in the comments if you did, and please don't forget to leave a like. And if you have done all that, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that is very important, because I am leading little steps, baby steps towards 100k. So, and I'm off to bed after obviously removing my makeup and everything. Thank you so much guys for watching this video with me. I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.
I feel wrong. Being drunk don't feel the same